Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get paper in 7 Days to Die. This can be used to make shotgun ammo, dynamites and cigars. So to begin, first of all, find any kind of a building and search for these cardboard boxes, which you can just go ahead and break down with your axe and it is going to yield you some paper. Also, there are some skills that are going to make it much easier to collect some paper, and this is by going to the strength and by experiencing the junk miner to the highest level, because this is going to give you a bigger yield of the paper that you collect. Also, you can find paper inside of these cabinets. As you can see right here, I found 17 of it inside of this one, and this one, 11. And also you can find paper by going around the streets of a city and using an axe. You can go ahead and chop these cardboard crates or boxes, and this is going to yield you the most paper. So this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.